In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Steam Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Steam app, what each option means, and how to complete the verification so your account's contact email is updated safely. First, open the Steam Desktop app and sign in. Make sure you're on the official client and confirm you can access your current email if possible. That will make verification much faster. At the top left of the Steam window, click the Steam menu. This is the small menu button with the Steam name. It sits above your library and store tabs. From that menu, choose Settings. A new window will open with your account preferences. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Change Email Address. Select it to launch Steam's secure email update flow. Steam treats your contact email as a key part of your login and security, so the next screen focuses on verifying that you're the rightful account owner. You'll be asked how you want to verify. If you still have access to your current email, choose the option to verify by email. Steam will send a code to that inbox. Grab the code, check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away, and enter it back in the Steam window to confirm. This is the quickest route. If you no longer have access to the current email, choose the option indicating you don't have access. Steam will guide you through account recovery. Be ready to provide proof of ownership. This could include details previously linked to the account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and take your time. Accuracy matters here. Once verified, Steam will ask for the new email address. Enter it, confirm it if prompted, and complete any final code verification sent to the new inbox. When the update is successful, you may be asked to restart Steam. That's normal and helps apply the change across your devices. For best security, keep Steam Guard enabled and store recovery codes in a safe place. That's all it takes to change your email on Steam Desktop.